Okay, last example for week 1. Example 10. A set of junior golf clubs are marked at a price of $387 and it is discounted by 13%. Apply this percentage decrease to calculate A, the discount in dollars, and B, the discounted price of the golf clubs. So if we look at part A to start off with. So the golf clubs were $387. The discount is 13%. So that would mean we need 13% of $387. Writing this as 13 over 100. Change the of to multiply. 387. If you put that in your calculator, you will get $50.31 discount. So part B, the discounted price equals $387, take away $50.31 discount, which means you would be paying $336.69 is your discount price.